Hola, mis amigos! Welcome to this vlog! Moving on, our second set of questions. So, second set of questions na. So, why not tikman natin yung yung one of my favorite. It's Jollibee.
10 years later.
Wow.
Wow, para siyang spaghetti. So,
Ciao.
ito na nga. Sige na, magtanong ka na. What's the first question?
Sa phone.
Ay, nasa phone pa na. So, the question is, English naman ang question. How am I doing as a husband? Okay. How am I doing as a wife in your life?
How you are?
Hirap naman ng question.
English
So,
na.
Tagalog na. Paano ako, paano ako as a wife? Yeah.
Paano ikaw as a wife? Diba, lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo, you're caring, supporting, and of course, supportive, sorry. And my cheerer. When I'm down, you always cheer me up. Yun.
Your cheerer and your bullier. Ay,
Me?
I always bully you.
Yeah. She's such a bully.
So, ikaw?
I'm not serious type.
To me,
Kinamay yung spaghetti.
you're a husband. Of course, there's no perfect husband, but you're almost there.
No?
Because not all husbands do what you are doing. Oh, English yun,
Wow.
guys.
What I'm doing?
Yes, you're doing everything for us. For me, for Amia, for your family. And, syempre, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, you're doing the job of a wife. Because you're cooking 3 times a day. And, syempre, you're taking care of us always. The house chores. Scarlett. Pati si Scarlett nasama.
Because I love you.
Oh! So yun na, next question na tayo. Hindi ko na kinakaya ang mga question. Next question. What are you most excited about in our relationship?
What I'm most excited about? Most excited about yung day-to-day living natin kasi hindi naman natin alam yung bukas. Yung alam mo lang is yung ngayon kasi hindi man tayo hindi natin na foresee yung taon, yung future. So why not live in ano na lang ang tawag dyan? Live every day as a good day. Or live the most out of it. Yeah.
Ako, what am
Kinamay yung spaghetti.
I'm most excited about? I'm most excited about having a baby with you. Of course, kasi before, kahit nung wala pa tayong baby, wala pa si Amia, meron na tayong name ng ating baby and we wanted a baby girl.
Yeah.
And nung dumating na nga siya,
We're so lucky.
we're so lucky to have her kasi nga,
God grant our wishes.
yes, and hindi ni God pinatagal kasi nga, after the wedding talaga, buti sa God. And not all married couple is ganun kaswerte kasi tayo binigyan agad. And binigyan pa talaga ng super duper cute,
Yeah.
pretty baby. Like daddy. Hindi ko lang kamukha. So yun. And I wanted also, sana in the future, my baby boy pa. So yun yung mga most I'm looking forward to. Na lumaki yung ating family. Yun. So third question tayo. If you could see 2 things change about me, 2 things talaga, what would they be?
2 things. You first.
What? So meaning, ano yung gusto kong baguhin sa'yo?
You first.
Talaga. Gagayahin mo yung sagot ko eh. I don't know. Ay, siguro yung pagiging moody. Moody in the sense of, kasi siya, ang dali niyang mag-change mood. Diba? Parang nadadala ka sa, kunwari, galit ka talaga. Diba ganun? Then, pero, kung hindi mo siya masasakyan, flash talaga. Flash of clans kayo. Pero, dahil sa ako, alam ko na yung ugali niya, meron ako mga technique para ma-chill out siya ulit. O, diba? Ganun. So, yun lang naman. Because, sabi ko nga, you're almost perfect. And so, joke. Sige, ayusin mo yung sagot mo.
Ano yun? Yung anong baguhin? Para sa akin is wala. Kasi,
Wow! Wala talaga.
di man siguro baguhin or wala akong masagot.
Wow.
Baguhin, siguro meron isa.
Alam ko na yun.
Yung
Gumising ng maaga. Gumising ng maaga. You know guys, that's my weakness because I wanted to sleep more.
Yeah.
Next question. What are your biggest fears about our relationship?
So ako ang sasagot. So what's my biggest fear? So yung kasi nothing is permanent, di ba? So hindi naman tayo nabubuhay forever. So kaya if ever may mga yun yung biggest fear ko, yung magkahiwalay kami na kasi tatanda naman talaga tayo, hindi tayo forever dito sa earth kasi we are all passers-by. So yun yung pinaka biggest fear ko. Yun.
My answer would be the same. The same
I
lang.
want this buko pie.
The same answer. Wala akong maisip.
Buko pie.
Next tayo. As a husband or wife, as a wife, how can I show more love to you?
Ako sasagot na.
Ako? How can I show more love? I don't know.
Alam mo
Because
yung
what-
pinipili.
No, because what I am giving, kasi the question is more. So meaning, because what I am giving to you now is the best that I can be. So wala nang more because that's the best, 'di ba? Wala namang mas, syempre, best. I don't know ano pang maibibigay ko, but all that I can, char. I know your answer, the same.
Parang same na rin.
Di ba?
Best.
Sabi ko na.
Kasi kailan mo pa ipakita yung best mo, yung if ever yung too late na. So ngayon, yung if ever may celebration kami, yung ganito, yung anniversary, birthday niya, birthday ni baby, birthday ko, yung parang kahit kami lang dapat ma-celebrate namin kasi yun eh. Yun yung bonding nyo eh. As a family. Kasi natin, tawag ko yung family. So why leaving the most out of it? Diba? Ano mo sa kaibigan mo. If ever mag-birthday mo, tas kainuman mo yung kaibigan mo, why not i-banding mo sa family mo? Yung sa, kakain kayo, yung ganyan.
Sige, next question. What's your dream date night or weekend with me?
Dream date night. My dream date night, kasi ako hopeless romantic. Gusto ko yung yung solemn, yung area. Tapos, yung may mga slow music, yung mga guitar, yung mga ganyan. Tapos, intimate na usapan, yung di ba, pinagawa mo natin. Pag may celebration.
Intimate na usapan pero maraming makaka-view nito.
I mean, yung sa previous ba? Bago
Sige.
itong vlog ba?
Next na tayo.
Ikaw?
Same lang. If you had 3 wishes to wish for our future, what would they be?
Ako, ikaw.
Ako. 3 wishes. My first wish is sana meron tayong baby boy, another baby. Sana boy, pero gusto niya girl. But I wish for a baby boy. Yun lang. Then, second natin is yung long life pa para sa atin. Kasi we're just starting our family. So, nagbi-build pa tayo ng relationship with our children, our child. So, sana mas mahaba pang buhay. Buhay natin yan. And third is yung wish ko na sana matupad yung mga dreams natin. Like, of course, meron na naman tayong bahay, meron na naman tayong magandang trabaho. Siguro good health na lang talaga. Good health for us and for our family. Yun.
Wow. Sa akin is 3 wishes.
Palakpak talaga.
Sa akin is, first is good health. Yun na para sa akin yun yung number 1. Kasi pag good health ka, so makakatrabaho ka, ma-perform mo yung mga task mo sa if ever saan ka work. Tapos give yung best mo para naman din sa family mo. Second is future 3 wishes na sa future. Second is makita ko na maging success yung mga anak natin. Diba yung dream natin na successful. Dream, ang gusto ko kasi is 3 anak. Pero before, gusto ko isa lang.
Gusto
I
niya isa.
changed my mind. Gusto ko 3. Since yung first born namin, si Amiya, wish ko at saka wish niya na maging doctor someday. Hopefully. At saka hopefully makaya niya yung course kasi alam naman natin na medyo mahirap. At hopefully makaya ng financial.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yun
yung
ano ba third?
Ang
Gusto ba?
third is good health.
Third is
Long life.
long life.
Oh, same.
Yun.
Kasi long life para magsama pa tayo ng matagal.
What are the things we forgot to celebrate this year? Or every year? Nothing.
Wala.
Parang wala.
So, wala. Kasi yun yung para sa akin yun yung pinaka na-excite ako yung sa mga celebrations namin. Yun diba, yung sabi ko kanina, why not if ever birthday ko, i-celebrate ko sa kaibigan ko, why not sa family ko? Kasi sila naman yung Tapos, di ba, family comes first. So, yun yun. Kasi yun yung na-instill sa mind ko yung sabi ng papa ko na first priority prioritize your family. So yun.
And of course,
Still sa mind ko.
and of course, for us, every celebration is special.
Yeah.
Because we don't know for the next years if masaselebrate pa natin ng magkasama. Ganun. So,
Same.
every moment must be treasured, every moment must be celebrated. Not only na celebration na maraming foods, maraming ganun. Kahit na ganito lang, pero magkakasama kayo and you're happy together. Ganon. So next tayo, what were some things we used to do before we were married that you miss now?
Sabi yung since single pa kayo, before is laging kakain sa labas. Diba? Banding. Movie.
Ngayon, kakain sa loob na lang.
Movie nights, if ever may mga bagong showing sa cinema. So yun. Yun yung na-miss mo, pero ngayon kasi may baby ka na, so priority yung alam niyo naman, pag may family na kayo, so mas priority na yung mas necessities like milk, diaper, pagkain sa bahay, yun.
For me, what I miss is, na-miss ko talaga is yung matulog ng sobrang tagal. Yung matutulog ka nang wala kang iniisip na merong kang babantayan, merong bata na parang merong dependent sa'yo. Ganon. Because before, kahit anong oras, pwede akong gumising anytime, basta wala ng work, of course. Ano na tayo?
Adult food feels.
Yeah, adult food feels. And of course, namimiss ko rin tambay-tambay sa labas. I mean, tambay with friends. So, last na tayong question. Sige. The last question is, hindi na siguro question, advice na lang. What is your advice to those married couple?
May advice, so actually parang awkward mag-advise kasi
Actually, buso na ako.
3 years pa kami. Pero yung sa atin kasi is parang hindi naman naglalaro, pero parang inaano natin yung ini-enjoy, di ba? Kasi ini-enjoy mo lang. I-enjoyin mo lang, yun. Tapos yung ko is always put God first. Yun, number 1 yun. In the center of your marriage. Siyempre, yung keeps fire burning. So meaning love and understand each other. So yun. Support each other kayo, cheer up each other. Mas okay kasi yung open kayo sa isa't isa, open kayo. Tapos if ever may mga problem, so normal naman talaga yun. Pag-usapan yung mabuti. So yun. Yun yung
Ayun. So, it's not an advice, but a sort of info lang, siguro. Kasi based on experience.
marriage is still a bit of process, diba?
Yeah. Because marriage is, syempre, no, bata ka pa, meron ka mga dream boy, dream husband, na kasi parang ang life kasi is not that easy.
Yeah.
Pero, yung hindi gaya sa mga telenovelas and everything na parang ang bida is always bida. It's a matter of understanding and of course, two must be, dalawa dapat yung anong tawag nun?
Unite as one? Or dalawang mag-isip?
Dalawa dapat yung nagtutulungan.
Yeah.
Because if isa lang yung gustong hihilain ka pababa ng isa di ba?
So, dapat dalawa kayo.
So, my advice to you, my number 1 advice is love your partner.
Yeah.
Second
Support.
is support your partner, but not support
Totally support siya.
to the extent na kahit na nakasama na sa inyong dalawa, support ka pa rin. Because you have a voice, so spread it
Open
out.
up.
Yeah, open up kung ayaw mo, ganun. Then, third one is, ito ang pinaka-effective, huwag kayong matutulog na galit kayong dalawa sa isa't isa. Because pagkabukas niyan, ibang usapan na naman yon. So kung magtulog kayo na galit kayo sa isa't isa, masasanay kayo niyan hanggang sa wala lang, parang wala na lang away.
What good thing about us is pag natutulog kami, dapat inaayos namin. Tas, pinag-usapan natin sa
Kahit hindi mo na pag-usapan, gestures are enough.
Yeah.
Put God in the center of your relationship.
Yeah, number 1.
Because kung wala si Lord, everything will not put into place. Siyempre, mas maganda kung magsimba kayo, dalhin nyo yung children nyo para habang lumalaki sila, nakikita nila na God-centered yung parents nila, yung family nila, para ma-adapt nila sa paglaki.
This vlog as adjourned.
this vlog adjourn on what time na ba?
So,
Minutes pala.
see ya on our next vlog. So, once again, this is Adam.
This is Kim. Ouch!
And bye-bye!
Bye!
Ah, hindi pa pala tapos. Sorry.
Wala pa.
Wait, excuse mo na.
Bakit? Saan ka? So, yun nga guys. Actually, ngayon na namin ginawa to. Kasi nga, we're not into, we're camera shy.
Happy anniversary!
Thank you! Wow! Thank you, Didi. Talaga? Sinabihan ko siya kasi kanina morning niya, huwag ka na magbigay ng flowers. May chocolate pa. Kasi, syempre, meron din tayo. Conjugal property na, guys. And, malalanta lang din naman eh. Pero, iba pa rin talaga yung feeling na mabigyan ka nito. So, thank you for our...
so special.
Yes! And of course, Didi, we have also a surprise for you.
Yeah! For you guys. We have
Yes.
a surprise. So,
It is all credit to you
yeah,
guys who
to
are
you.
watching our
who
channel.
supporting us. So, since 5 months
June.
tayo.
Yes, June po kami
5 months tayo
nag-umpisa.
nag-vlog. Yung content namin is food vlog, food tutorial, etc. Ano yung iba?
Yung Scarlett natin. Yung
Usually
yung Reina, yung bago
actually,
namin
first time namin
baby.
ito na-vlog na ganito. So, yung surprise namin guys is
Yung surprise namin is not 1, but 2! 2,000 subscribers!
Yay!
Kala mo naman
Thank you.
2 million, pero 2,000 lang pala.
Diba?
Yes,
Parang tumutuwa na tayo, di ba?
yes, because guys, for us small YouTubers like us,
Yeah.
we're not as famous as the mga celebrities. Pero yung 2,000 subscribers, guys, napakalaking,
Big enough na
Yeah.
since 5 months, start tayo June. So,
yeah, it's a very big blessing to us. Because not all small YouTubers, yung 100 subscribers na abot namin yung 100 subscribers, sobrang saya na. Kasi nga, yung mga friends namin, hindi naman talaga aabot ng 100. Sa totoo lang.
yeah.
At hindi naman talaga lahat ng friends mo magsusubscribe sa'yo.
yung iba, yung circle of friends namin is maliit lang eh. So, thank you kasi nakaabot ng 2,000. So, na-amaze kami. So, amazing. So,
Na-surprise ba kayo, guys?
so, yun yung surprise.
Actually,
Kung di pa nakasubscribe, please
Please
subscribe to
subscribe!
our channel. And
Yes.
click the notification bell button para ma-notify kayo sa vlog namin. So, yun.
yun lang nga, guys.
So,
So marami pa po kayong aabangan sa vlog na ito.
Yeah, sa vlog namin.
Hindi lang po cooking show.
Yeah,
Hindi
cooking
lang po cooking tutorial.
My entertainment. My singing show.
Yes! Dapat
Concert
abangan.
show.
Singing.
Yeah, yung
May mga
sing-YP.
unboxing tayo.
Yung singing show.
Sing show talaga.
Yung kantahan.
Cover. Singing cover lang po.
Yeah, cover.
Hindi
Si-
po tayo,
si ano
hindi
na,
po tayo magkaka-show.
I'll give it to my wife kasi siya yung ano eh.
Pero actually guys, siya nang nauna.
Hindi
Feel
ako.
na feel niya.
Yeah,
Watch po kayo sa unboxing ng aming microphone.
Yeah, yung
BM. Ano yun?
binili namin yun sa
BM 800.
12.
Sobrang ganda, promise.
Tapos,
And, marami pa tayong unboxing.
yung cover songs, I leave it to you kasi
No, I'll give
Magaling
it
siya
to
eh.
you also because
magaling siya eh.
you know guys, hindi lang naman ang nanonood sa atin is yung likers. May bashers din.
Love tayo eh kasi
Thank you po sa pagsama sa amin sa aming konting mukbang.
yeah,
And more mukbangs to come.
Yeah.
Yan ang
And
nasabi.
more vlogs
Vlogs to
together.
come. Yes.
Also with our little
Princess. And of
Sama
course,
tayo.
more years to celebrate with you. Oh, to those 3 years, I'm so happy to have you. Kilig siya. Thank you guys. And see you on our next
Bye-bye.
vlog.
See ya!